everyone, I am Krishna Saw from 8C and she is my partner Shriyansi Padhi from 9th E. Today we are going to represent our model. Our model is basically on the topic of application of sensor in railway signal processing. Now we are going to explain this. Firstly, we see many accidents in our daily lives due to which the most dangerous accident is considered as railway accident, due to which many people lose their lives. About 18 accidents are reported by the RIT in the current first 5 months of the 2024 to 2025. Recently, we all have heard about the train accident which was occurred in Odisha involving Coromandel Express and Yashwantapur Express Superfast. This accident killed about 296 people and injured over 1200 people. This is not a single accident. Such type of accident happen every day in our lives. Accident can happen anywhere, but we can be alert to save ourselves. For this purpose, we have made our project. So now we are going to explain this working of this model.
To understand the working of this model, we have to know what are the major parts of this model. The major parts of this model are this ultrasound sensor used in the front of this train and a GPS tracker, and an IR sensor used in the traffic lights here and the radio antenna over here. Now, if we let the trains run freely on the track without turning the sensor on, we see that the trains have collided. In real life, this can lead to many consequences and resulting in the loss of many people's lives. Now, if we turn the sensor on of one train, we see that the loco-pilot mode is turned on and the train has stopped in an adequate distance, resulting in the saving of many people's lives. Now, the traffic lights here also play an important role in this model. Now, as we see that there is an object in front of it, the traffic lights is indicating red, which means that there is an object or something in front of the train and the train might not continue to move forward as there is a danger in it. Now, if an object is removed, we can see that the lights has turned green here, which indicates that nothing is in front of the train and the train might continue to move forward and there is no danger in it. Here, the radio antenna also plays a major role. The radio, if the train gets stuck at an abandoned place, the radio antenna transmits the signals to the GPS tracker by the help of the satellites in the radio station, resulting in determining the current location of the train, resulting in the saving of many people's lives. Thank you.